Hello people and welcome back to Ottawa Dashcam, a channel that features only the latest content from the roads all over the world. We got close calls, crashes, road rage, karma moments and many more. This episode is going to be full of all sorts of crazy moments caught on Driver's Dashcam, so make sure to sit tight, enjoy and try to learn something from all the mistakes as well. Without any further delay, let's get this episode going. Semi-truck driver cut the camera off, but the situation was far from over because the reckless driver pulled up to the camera and it came to a crazy road rage. Check it out.
Why'd you pull out in front of me? You know what both ways look like? You go like this, you go like that before you pull out in front of me. Because you're...
I said sorry. But you still showing the finger.
Like this?
Yes.
Like this?
Yes.
Like this?
Yes, like
okay.
This.
So why are you here?
This finger put your ass, okay?
Oh, you're going to kick my ass? Yeah, you piece. Learn how to drive. Ooh. Two.
In this video, we have a careless bus driver who thinks that traffic lights don't apply to him. Out of all the traffic participants, bus drivers should be the most careful and responsible ones because they are responsible for the lives of people who are in the bus as well. Check out the driver on the camera's left side. He ran a red light like a rocket and one would think that he's really in a rush to be somewhere. Check out what the camera captured on his dashcam after a minute or so. Camera filmed the reckless cyclist doing a wheelie on the road and swerving all over the place. However, that's not all. A bit further down the road he nearly crashed, but somehow he managed to move around the car. Mercedes driver flies out onto the roundabout without a second thought. He didn't bother slowing down to look if it's safe first.
Couldn't have parked right there. Gotta block the bike lane and the street at the same time.
If you think you saw it all, wait till you see this crazy driver with a lost sense of road direction. There are indeed all sorts of crazy drivers out there, and this video confirms it.
Get him!
This is not the traffic lane.
Yeah.
So you just make up your own rules? I mean, don't go now. Excellent driving. Very good. How did they even get here? It goes all the way back that way. How?
Snowy and icy roads are dangerous for drivers, especially for the ones who have bad tires. Always keep in mind that you're supposed to ease up on your gas pedal in these troublesome conditions because you might easily lose control of your vehicle.
I've asked you the question a good deal too early. We haven't looked at what the men did in the story. I've just asked you what you thought of them as men. But in fact, the key to the story is not what they were or what they did. Key is what they... It seems calculated to discourage any effort to try and live the way God wants us to live.
You're gonna go flying past a cop. That was stupid.
With this clip we conclude another epic episode on Caught on Dashcam channel. I hope you enjoy watching and learning something as well. Make sure to leave a like if you support my work and don't forget to subscribe as well. Until the next episode, drive safe and take care.